Hey, this is A4 Analytics President Saravana here. I have an important announcement and information for you. A4 Analytics is an artificial intelligence analytics company working hard to become a number one business intelligence and AI company on planet Earth. Now, we are working with several companies, small scale, medium scale, large scale companies. Yeah. Now, A4 Analytics is presenting A4 Analytics University, which is a training department of A4 Analytics, helping students on final year, people complete a degree, people aren't in the job, people don't have awareness about IT, people desperately want to get into an IT industry. So who can take a course in A4 Analytics University? Maybe you are a mechanical engineer, maybe you are a triple E guy, maybe you are a EC guy, maybe you are a biotech, or maybe you are a computer science guy. Only thing we look in you is, do you have whatever it takes to achieve your goal? A4 Analytics provide high quality training in Microsoft Power BI, Tableau, and artificial intelligence. We don't just provide training to you, but we will provide working in a real time project designed by experts by keeping MNC companies latest to trend in IT and the difficult situations the freshers faces in MNC or any other startup in the world in mind. If you worked on a project, then it's more likely you were in the first place to be get hired by a company over the person who doesn't have real-time project experience. A4 Analytics University is not for everyone. Yes, I'm right. A4 Analytics University is not for everyone. A4 Analytics University is only for people who want to do more. A4 Analytics is only for people who want to earn more, people who want to be in a respectful position in the society, people who want to take care of a family, children, and live better life. If you are looking for a job in IT, then you must sign up for A4 Analytics course, one-to-one online courses to change your life. I have a question for you. Do you have whatever it takes to get your dream job in IT? You have to answer yourself. I provide more information on the description box. You can find a link and email ID to inquire. Please use that and have a good day. See you. Bye.